Pop me a perky and then I'm gon' float. I got so much drip that I need me a boat. I hit a bad bitch, then I point to the door. I got me some brain, yeah, I got me some dough. I got me my nut, now I'm about to go smoke. I can't go outside by no silly asshole. VVS on my chest, yeah, my heart is so cold. My money so long that it will never fold.
EVOs gotta hit it, no cap.
Liquor take control right now. Liquor take control right now. Started from the bottom. In this section with all of these models. Mixing, I hope I wake up tomorrow. Drinking to get over all my sorrows and the problems. They don't know what I've been through. Swerving lanes in the fucking Bentley coupe. Yeah, they don't know, they don't know, they don't know. I ain't asked for shit, get the racks by my lonely. I can't trust no bitch, fuck these hoes, they don't know me. Ballin' round your bitch, Euro step, Ginobili. Fuck with Cartier, I'm the one and the only. Shout out to the homies, I can't be the old me. Ayy, ballin' like I'm Kobe. 2-4 or the A, yeah. Cartier don't go on no dates, yeah. Look, and let the pain go away. Drinking activists, I'm switching lanes in the rave. I just put your bitch on Molly, I smoke J's to this face. Plus this Fanta tastes like candy in my train. Purple rain, purple rain, purple rain, purple rain. Got my train. I've been played so many times that it's a shame and I can't trust no more. I cannot associate with lames, I had to shut the door. Another Wednesday at the stadium, I made it fucking poor. Dropped a couple racks, I paid my ties, I paid these fucking hoes. Rock design, I paid that pretty penny for these fucking clothes. Mike and Mary them, can't forget about the Fendi them. Plus I got this one side bitch named Riri, no not Fenty though. I know my main bitch creepin', yeah, she walking on her tippy toes. That goes to show that bitches are a joke and you can't trust these hoes. Shout out to my Magnum and my Sig, those my fucking bros. I've been praying, asking for this life. I don't even know what's right, and I still ain't met a bitch that I would make my wife, yeah. They don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Yeah, yeah. They don't know, they don't know, they don't know. Yeah, yeah. They could take control right now.
Scandy.
25.
Just for the boys all the lie. All them kidding niggas, bitch, you thought that I forgot. I've been dreaming of $1 million ever since I had a mom. Yeah, working overtime to get them dollars that I got. Stay with mama, she was bugging, still I hate you from my pops. Did her best, but it was hard, yeah, we was in and out of spots. So that one day I'ma change your life for good, it's gotta stop. So I hopped up in the booth and turned it up another notch. Started hanging with some niggas I thought I would never drop. Till the day it turned out that little pussy boy, it was a cop. Should've killed him, but instead I went and bought another watch. Yeah, starting on a nigga, show him everything he not. Let back everything I knew I had to take a shot. I ain't moved up to Atlanta, now the block is getting hot. Took my talents on the road, now the studio my own. Feels good to make it in the biggest city on